Golden Eagle Luxury Trains have been in business for 25 years and we've been operating private rail journeys throughout the remote parts of the world. We looked at what our presentation of our product was and video was a major omission from the product sales kit that we had. We felt that Bigtank provided the best understanding to the brief that we were looking for. It is a luxury product. People will spend quite a bit of money. This is a trip of a lifetime for a lot of people. And it was important that the video will bring to life the product more so than what it can do in a brochure or through an advertisement in a newspaper.
We definitely find that our website is getting a lot more traffic, and one of the factors that contributes to that is the film. And there's no question that the film content adds value to that experience.
I would definitely recommend Bigtank. We've worked really well together and we would use them in the future ourselves. We've been delighted with the video. It's been used in many formats and it's been a fantastic sales tool for us to use, and it has definitely delivered extra business into the company.